And then what we have.
Hi everyone, we are at Target right now. We kind of just stopped by for no reason. Then as we were heading into the restroom, Aiden actually spotted the Cutie Cuffs. Let me show you all. So we were able to find a few of Jack. We found some princess ones and the villains. We have a total of 12 of these and how many? 6 of the villains, okay? We will be unboxing this, so just wait to show you all what we got. So this is the box and these are the potentials. I really want this one, but I'm not gonna get my hopes up. And then let's look at the other side.
Ursula?
I would love Ursula, yes. And Cruella, definitely. And Scar would be cool too.
Hades.
But I'm not gonna get my hopes up. We'll see what happens. With the princess, I love all of them. So if I get any of them, I'll be happy.
You're getting some of them.
This one's, yeah, I love all of them.
You might have all of them.
That one's gonna be a win, regardless. And now we're gonna go talk to customer service because the gentleman told us that we can possibly order them online, but we'll see. It got super ugly outside, guys. It's like the world is ending type of stuff. Okay, we're going to member services. Follow us. We're going to member services. It is super scary, guys. What the hell? Okay guys, so we just finished buying. It was a hefty tag. I don't know if you guys want to know, but it came out to $185. Not lying. Okay, but it's gonna be worth it because they cannot be ordered online. So now we're heading home to unbox. Okay guys, we are back home now. It was a very crazy day and we are now about to get ready to start unboxing. I think we should do the villains, no? Hi everyone, we are back. We had a very crazy day. We flipped the pizza. The dog got a bad haircut. But we're home. Now we're home. And we are ready to open. Aiden's with me. And I'm with myself. So we were debating if we were going to do the princesses first or the villains. So I think just because we have less villains.
We should do villains and then like take turns.
Oh, yes. I think that's a good idea.
So,
okay, so
how about I open the villains, you open the princess?
I guess.
You want to open the villains.
Okay, no, you can trade. So then, are we going to do it together?
Yeah, let's do it together.
No, I think we should do one by one.
Okay.
So you go first. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to see this. Oh my God, it's Maleficent! Show the camera. Ooh. What the hell? I love Maleficent. It is Maleficent, right?
Yeah, Maleficent.
Let's see. So
look at her face.
I didn't even know she was here. But yeah, she's right here, guys. Look at that. Oh my God, I'm so happy. All right.
Let's put her on you.
And then she looks like she's sleeping, like Sleeping Beauty. Oh my God, that is so cute. Okay, let's do
next one.
Next. Well,
you need help with that?
No, I got it. I think I'm trying to find the little cut parts. I guess I do need help. No, there's no cut parts on this. What the hell?
Yes, it is. It's right here.
Oh, okay, got it. I'm gonna use my handy too. I got it.
Okay.
I said.
Okay. I'll do the next princess.
Oh my God, what is it? What do you think it is? What do you think it is?
Oh, I feel like it's Belle. Oh, it's what's it called?
Oh, it's Brave. What's her name?
Oh, I forgot.
I forgot her name.
Miria.
So cute. Okay, I love her. But not
the one you wanted.
But it's super cute. I love it. I love it.
I shall open.
You're doing a princess?
No, you open this next one.
Okay.
You open a villain.
So, Miriam. No, it's not Miriam. It's Meredith. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, let me find the thing.
I'm getting anxious, guys. What do you think it is before? Like, make a prediction.
I think it's gonna be Pocahontas.
You think? Okay. Oh my god, let's see. Ah! It's Ariel! Oh my god, and the chest is super cute. Oh my god.
Let's put her on you.
I love it. Okay, can I go next? Because I'm ready. I think I'm gonna.
She's eating?
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, we got caught up. I'm about to open this one. Nice. Oh my god, it's Cruella! And she has a yellow outfit. Oh my
look at
god.
her face.
This is so cute, y'all. Like, love
The
this.
American
And then
accent's coming.
the yellow, the red shoes. Oh my god, love this one. Okay.
I shall open the next villain.
I should have guessed, but I didn't know what to guess.
Okay. I feel like this one's Hades. Just feel it.
Okay. See?
Like this is giving me Hades vibes. That's what. Oh! Oh, it's the Evil Queen!
I really wanted this one. I am so excited I got it. I love the Evil Queen. My classroom last year was this theme, so excited. Okay, next. Thank you.
Who's your prediction?
I want to say it's gonna be Snow White, just to stay within the same theme of what we just opened. Okay, here we go. Cinderella.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I wanted this one so bad. This one was I love Cinderella. She's my favorite princess. Okay, next.
Next.
I feel like we're super fortunate because like we're opening it so many.
We have
Aurora. I love her. Super cute.
Oh, yeah.
Perfect. Okay. Next
villain. We have 2 more villains. I feel like that one's gonna.
Sword! Look at that. Oh my god. I love his song. Like it's so great in the movie. Yes, my favorite.
We shall open the second to last villain.
Oh. What do you think it is?
I think it might be Hades. I really want Hades.
I would love the mermaid Ursula. Yes.
We got another scar. Aww. Our
I
first
duplicate. Yeah, our first duplicate. Okay, let's see.
I'm gonna wear him. He's so Sigma.
Oh, another duplicate.
Okay. We're gonna have quite a few duplicates.
Okay. Fine. That's good.
Last villain.
Last villain, everyone.
Hope it's Ursula or Hades.
Mm-hmm.
Let me help with that.
I got it. Thank you. Okay.
Oh, it's the Chihuahuas for Scar.
It's
The hyenas. The hyenas.
The hyenas, not the hyenas or the chihuahuas. I don't know who's thinking. Okay, great. I love it. We only got 1 duplicate, so.
Okay.
Okay.
Next princess. Okay. We have quite a few princesses left.
I think it's gonna be Tiana.
Tiana?
Really want Tiana.
You want Tiana?
Yes.
I'm feeling
like Tiana.
Snow White. I want Snow White.
Okay, Snow White.
We got Belle.
I love Belle. She's also one of my favorites. And then we got Book Belle, not the Belle of the Ball, the yellow one.
Do you like which one? Do you like?
I love both of them. I think they're just so iconic.
We have
both.
2 duplicates so far.
Yes, we'd have 2 duplicates. Okay. I think we are gonna stop right here because we want to do another reveal pretty soon. So this is gonna be our last one.
What?
Yeah, no more. No, that's it. Ada.
2 more.
What, this one and you one more, I guess, with yours.
Pocahontas! Oh, I guess too. This one has to be Tiana.
I hope.
Because we just, let's see, we just need Snow White and
Tiana.
and
Tiana.
Tiana.
Ah! What the hell? How did you know? Look at
almost have the full princess collection.
So excited. Don't.
We should get Snow White.
No, we're gonna stop here. We'll see you all later. Thank you.
That's kind of cringe.